Hello and welcome back to Stonk Insights, your one-stop shop for stock and crypto analysis and discovery. And today we're going to be taking a look at the portfolio. I know you guys know that everything's down right now, so we're going to be taking a look at that and seeing what's going on with Ethereum Classic. It's not Ethereum Classic. I'm just going to let you know right up front. It's not Ethereum Classic. It's the market as a whole, so there's no intrinsic bad news for Ethereum Classic. Okay, I just want to get that out of the way right away. Before I continue on, though, I just want to let everyone out there know that I am not a financial advisor. Nothing heard in this video should be considered as financial advice. Please do your own research. Don't buy or sell anything based off what I say in this video. If you do so, you have a high chance to get wrecked. Don't get wrecked. So yeah, again, we're looking at Ethereum Classic here. We've been talking about Ethereum Classic in past few videos. And I mean, to make a long story short, there's no bad news for Ethereum Classic. Okay, let's just get that out of the way. Been nothing put out for Ethereum Classic as far as bad news. Obviously, it's only been good news, in the past few weeks. It hasn't been any news this week. So obviously, when you don't have a news cycle, it does, stocks, equity, cryptocurrency, they do tend to trend down. It's just something that typically happens. Okay, so before we get into the portfolio, we're just going to take a live look at the market here. We are sitting at $1.2 trillion market cap for cryptocurrencies, volume of 40 billion. Looking at all the crypto here, yes, it's a red day. Obviously, the stable coins look like they're green, but yeah, it's been a red day for all crypto. And if we go down here, though, you see the Ethereum Classic is sitting at the 17th spot. Even though it's sitting at the 17th spot, it's still at about a $4.7 billion market cap. So it's moving up, but it's not moving up because the price is appreciating. I'm guessing it's moving up because other assets are just decreasing that much more faster. But look here, the volume is We've been seeing, like $1 billion of volume as of late. So seeing that cut in half, that's not really pretty. But again, if we look at the range here, so we're looking at 11 through 19, it still is the highest volume. Okay, so that's one good thing I like about Ethereum Classic. It is a very high volume traded asset or cryptocurrency. So a lot of people like it. They're trading hands. You got day traders with it, so that's a good thing that it's in a lot of people's hands. It's on a lot of people's minds. Okay, so let's take a look at the portfolio here. Yeah, we're a little bit down. Oh, we just jumped up a little bit. So we're down about 12%, almost 13%. Far change from my last video. I think we're up about 5%. So yeah, it's been a downtrend. But again, there's been no specific. Let's look down here at the news articles. In fact, this article is saying, that Dogecoin and Ethereum Classics were the top performing cryptocurrencies in Q2 of 2021. So that's awesome. You're seeing Ethereum Classic up there, and Ethereum Classic and Dogecoin. I mean, come on. We have a meme coin, and we have a coin with. They both have utility. I have talked about Dogecoin positively in the past, and I'm not about to flip the script, but if I had to compare Dogecoin with Ethereum Classic, my opinion is no comparison. But again, that's just my opinion. So let's just take a look at the other two big dogs. The number one here, Bitcoin. So, man, we're knocking on that below $30,000 coin, and we're going to get into the reason of why it might potentially over the weekend drop even lower than that. Some analysts are saying $26,000 a coin, and like I said in my previous videos, where Bitcoin goes, all other cryptocurrencies go, and that's just the way it is. That's the name of the game. So if we do see Bitcoin touch the $26,000 coin level, be expecting to see some drops across the board. So we're going to look at the number two here, ETH, down about 4%. No negative news, like I'm saying, like about the other cryptocurrencies. Nothing's intrinsically negative about Ethereum. It's just the whole cryptocurrency market as a whole is just dropping, and we're all suffering with it. So this is going to this article here. So this is what I believe is a primary reason for all cryptocurrencies dropping. So like I said, all crypto follows Bitcoin. And with this article, it talks about the shares of the GBTC, which is the Grayscale Bitcoin. They're supposed to be unlocked. Well, they're unlocked right now, and they're just day by day. There's a different amount that's being unlocked, but it's speculated because of that. That's what's causing the cryptocurrency market to go down. Okay, so we just take a look at this article here. The price volatility is believed to be influenced by the recent unlock of Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust shares starting today, which this article was July 14th, so 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, they started to unlock their shares, so the investors can sell them, dump them into the market. Let's be real. Dump it, sell it, whatever. The shares will continue to unlock through July 29th, so we still have about 14 days for that to happen, with the biggest unlock to take place on July 18th. So keep that in mind. We're talking about 2 days from now. We're supposed to see a huge unlock of these GBTC shares unlocked into the market, which is suspected to make Bitcoin drop, which inherently will make all other cryptocurrencies drop. All right, so let's continue on. The unlocking of these shares is believed to have a volatile impact on BTC prices. The top cryptocurrency has lost its key on-chain support at 33,000 yesterday and currently trading at 31,000, seeing a 4% decline in price over the past 24 hours. And as we can see, it's still it's even slightly lower than that. Okay, so it's knocking on that $30,000 door. So this is what I want to get into, though. Like JP Morgan Chase, like, what are you guys doing? You're bearish one month, you're super bullish the next month. Like they can't make up their mind, And I don't know if this is market manipulation or if they have like multiple analysts. It's just a super bearish analyst and a super bullish analyst. I don't know. They're obviously bearish on the fact that this GBTC is unlocking. So let's go into this. JP Morgan, the American banking giant, has predicted a bearish outcome for the Bitcoin market because of Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust share unlock. The firm's analysts had predicted a market crash that could push BTC price into sub 25K price levels. And this is just their conjecture. This is just what they're saying. And again, why are they saying this? I believe they're just pushing out this FUD, to try to get the BTC shares to drop that low. And let's be honest, they will be buying up shares by the boatload if that happened. If Bitcoin fell to $25,000, I mean, come on, we all know that they these major corporations, these banks, these hedge funds, they're gonna go all in with Bitcoin if it did that. To just continue on, other analysts believe that GBTC unlock might have a short-term bearish impact and price volatility, but wouldn't lead to any market crash as predicted by JP Morgan. So JP Morgan is, it's other analysts, but they're kind of on their lonely island claiming that they believe that Bitcoin is going to fall down to $25,000. We all know that. I'm not going to say that it can't happen, but there's going to be hawks out there waiting, just licking their chops, just waiting for Bitcoin to fall down to a 25K price level. So that brings me back to Ethereum Classic. Like what are my plans with the Ethereum Classic falling so low? So as you can see here with my quantity amount, it's slightly above what I usually have. I think I had like 11.3. Now we're at 12.22 shares or coins. So what I've been doing is just slowly. I'm not aping in. I'm not just aping in just because it's the prices drop, but I'm slowly just dollar cost averaging just $10 here and there as the price goes down. So you can see here 2 hours ago, I dollar cost averaged and bought 10 more at 41.43. Right now, the estimated price is 41.50. So I probably won't buy it again unless this goes down further, which it did. And, I just missed the opportunity. It fell down to 40s. Yeah, 40, 68, 40s, 70s. So I'm still believing that it will drop, because of the fear that's out in the market, okay? But we're not thinking like retail traders anymore, okay? We have to think like the hedge funds. We got to think like the JP Morgan Chases, okay? We have to think like these guys that when these FUD articles come out and we see red bottom all over the place across the cryptocurrency, that this is making us want to buy, okay? Obviously, that's not a selling sign. When you see red, that's not the sign to sell, okay? Unless something happened, okay? Unless they say Ethereum Classic was exploited and all the coins have been drained out, okay? That's something that will make you sell during a red cycle, okay? There's been no negative news for Ethereum Classic. In my opinion, there's no reason to sell. There's definitely no reason to sell if you're at a loss. Do not sell at a loss. Not financial advice, but don't sell at a loss. Why would you do that for? If you got into Ethereum Classic, there's a reason why you got into Ethereum Classic. It's got to be because of your due diligence. You did your own research. You know where Ethereum Classic is going in the future. You see these major improvements that's coming along, i.e. the Magneto fork that's about to happen here soon. There's good news that's coming out for Ethereum Classic. They're improving the network so it could be more lucrative for us investors. So that's just something I want to get into today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're from the Ethereum Classic community, come on, man, we got this. Like the video if you like the video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.